Hello everyone, this is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and today I want to share a little tip about sketching. Many of us understand that there's two different sketchers in NX, and if you want to switch between them, you can go to File, Utilities, Early Access Feature, and you can turn on and off the new sketcher by this little button right here. You right click and you can turn it on or off. So now if you've got the new sketcher on, I call it new, but it's been out for a couple of years. When you are creating geometry, like so, and you put a dimension on a piece of geometry like this, and you look at the dimension, you can make it bigger by saying Control up arrow, or smaller by Control down arrow. That's a really nice thing. When you put the dimension on, if you hit the D key, you can put expression on, and then when you select entities, it will make an expression right away. I personally like that better than not having an expression. But in any case, if you change that number, like so, that's cool. But like I said, if you want to, if you zoom out and you still want to read the numbers, you can always Control up arrow, Control down arrow. Okay, that's a nice little tip. Really important sometimes to make those numbers bigger and smaller. So that's my little tip for today on sketching. Thank you very much for your listenership. Please like and subscribe if you can. Thank you.